Hi, today I've read a few Motorola Moto G23 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first let's launch the Play Store application, and now we should get the application from the Play Store because unfortunately we have now installed by default the always on display option on our device. That's why in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge app. Now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. Then just tap to open the app, click Draw Our Apps, tap to Muviz Edge and click on the switcher, then go back, tap to AD section, click to one from these available tabs, tap to apply. It's now applied successfully, so let's just lock the device and we can see that we just successfully activated the always on display option on our Motorola Moto G23. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.